A shocking reality has emerged. Immigrants without criminal records now dominate U.S. immigration detention facilities, according to recent government data. This startling trend challenges long-held assumptions about the priorities of the Trump administration's immigration strategy. But here's where it gets controversial. Data reveals that more than 16,000 individuals arrested by Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, have no criminal history, surpassing those charged with crimes. This shift raises critical questions about the fairness and effectiveness of current immigration enforcement policies. The federal agency, most closely tied to Trump's mass deportation efforts, released its latest figures, showing that 16,523 detained individuals have no criminal record, compared to 15,725 with convictions and 13,767 with pending charges. With a total of 59,762 people in ICE custody. This marks the first time, under the second Trump administration, that non-criminal immigrants outnumber those with legal histories in detention. Critics argue that the administration's definition of criminal is alarmingly broad. A former Homeland Security official, speaking anonymously, noted, "These are hardworking people. These are not criminals. Undocumented status itself is not a crime, but a civil violation." Yet, the government's narrative insists that ICE is focused on the worst of the worst: murderers, gang members, and sex offenders. However, the data suggests otherwise. The surge in non-criminal arrests stems from aggressive tactics, including daily quotas for ICE agents and collaboration with federal and local law enforcement. In one notable case, over 300 workers at a Georgia factory were detained, many of whom had valid visas. Despite this, they were forced to accept voluntary departures, sparking diplomatic tensions with South Korea. Such incidents highlight the growing tension between immigration enforcement and human rights concerns. As ICE's detainee population hits a record high of over 61,000, reports of inhumane treatment persist. Meanwhile, the administration denies any subprime conditions in facilities. With new funding legislation set to boost immigration enforcement, the debate over the ethics of this approach intensifies. So what do you think? Is the focus on non-criminal immigrants a necessary step towards securing borders, or a troubling escalation of xenophobia? Share your perspective in the comments below.